This one is my all-time favorite. This is the clone. Rouge Veil number 13. This one hits you with that instantly recognizable luxury in the air vibe. It is inspired by the B.accarat Rouge 540. Warm saffron, smooth amber, and a soft sweetness that smells like money without costing money. Why you need this. If you ever wanted the B.accarat Rouge 540 Aura without the heartbreak price tag, this is the dupe that actually delivers. It gives you a signature scent that I don't know what she's wearing, but I need it effect without overpowering or giving you a headache. 2 sprays for work, 3 for date night. Pulse points only, wrist, neck, and back of your shirt for extra staying power. The saffron and the jasmine combo smells like money, and it's so smooth. The amber and the cedar keep it warm, modern, and unisex. It smells far more expensive than it is, and the compliments will come fast. Final verdict. This is the one. This is one of those best budget-friendly dupes. If you want that famous sweet, amber, woody cloud everyone notices the second you walk by. This review is sponsored, but the opinions are fully mine.